Welcome to Dr. Srimak Elementary, the home of Mighty Dolphins. I am Principal Dr. Carla Montemayor, and I'm so excited to invite you to join our PSJA family. Here at Dr. Srimak Elementary, we value our students' culture by providing a two-way dual language program in English and in Spanish. Come see why PSJA ISD is the best fit for your family. We can't wait to show you everything we have to offer.
Hola, mi nombre es Brandon Catu y soy un estudiante de quinto grado. Our dual language program provides us with lots of opportunities to succeed academically both in English and Spanish. Hablar, leer y escribir dos lenguas es mi orgullo como estudiante.
Hi, my name is Jacob Salinas. I'm a 5th grade student here at Reed Mock Elementary. We are a leader in me school, and we learn the 7 habits of highly effective people. Every month, students in each grade are recognized for their leadership skills and overall academic performance.
Hi, my name is Camila Montemayor and I am a 5th grade student. Here at Reed Mock, we take pride in our talent through fine arts, sports, and UIL clubs. As you can see, look at all our accomplishments within our school and community over the years. Also, let me show you what our GT club can do.
We encourage you to visit our district website for more information on how you can become part of PSJA ISD and Dr. Srimak Elementary. Come join us.